Good day everyone. This short video introduces the Econoctane Android application from Convergence Solutions Numériques, which aims at helping motorists save money on purchase of higher than regular octane fuel. It also aims at keeping a record of your vehicle fuel usage so that the octane level could be tuned for optimum performance. Here is an actual snapshot of the pricing of automotive fuels taken on August 3, 2017 in Montreal. The prices are in Canadian cents per litre. It can be pointed out that the price of 89 octane gas is 11 cents or 9% higher than the regular, while the 91 fuel is only 6 cents more than the 89, less than 5% higher. Finally, the last 3 points of octane, to 94, can be secured though an additional 3 cents, a barely 2% increase over the 91. Looking over at mid-term historical trends, one can see that the price of barrel of oil has been subjected to a slight downward pressure over the 6-month period between February and August 2017. However, in the same period, the tendency for the price at the gas pumps has been an increase. And let's not discuss those weekly sharp 6% or more price hikes with a very slow return. But there is more. The automotive fuel readily available at a gas station can only be the regular or the highest grade on offer. The other grades are mixed in the right proportion in the pump itself at the moment of purchase. If done fairly, the price of a mix would be found on a straight line that joins the regular to the highest grade price, the orange line on the chart. It turns out that oil companies overcharge 5 cents or more per litre only for adjusting a mixing valve in the pump. There is not much anyone can do about the greed of oil companies. Automotive fuel is probably the only commodity for which exists no real alternative and that could be subjected to such sudden and unjustified price variations. But for the overcharge in the intermediate octane range, there is now a tool to outsmart oil companies. Introducing Econoctane. Econoctane is an optimized Android application that boasts a rather impressive 99.12% device compatibility. Out of the 13,866 Android devices Google has on record as of August 2017, there are reportedly only 122 unable to run Econoctane. Those are mostly set-top cable boxes and very early Android machines unable to upgrade to or later versions of the operating system. Operationally, what Econoctane does is calculating the required proportion of different fuel grades to lower the price right down to the orange line. Astute motorists should favor the oil banners that offer super premium gasoline, as those cannot be priced too high from a marketing point of view. Banners for which 91 is the highest grade on offer would not permit any mixing discount if the fuel your car actually needs is 91. Here is how to use the mixing function. The first step is to verify the grades and costs on offer at the gas station. Since prices tend to be changed by the same amount, the delta function permits to group all the prices together so that changing any one would change all the others. If you travel to an area where fuel is sold using units that do not match those used by your vehicle display, a special function allows you to scale accordingly. Specify which two fuels need to be mixed. Those would be displayed in a green background. Next, enter the overall quantity of fuel you want to purchase, or the total sales value. Then, enter the desired octane. A special function brings an auxiliary display that permits to take into account the fuel you may still have that could be of a different octane level. Pressing the green compute button will then derive the quantity and sale values. Enter those sale values as pre-authorization in the pump, and let them do the work of delivering the expected quantity. If the estimated quantity was off from the capacity of your vehicle tank, you can adjust the actual quantities of each grade purchased with the yellow button converting between different units. If you want Econoctane to track fuel usage, enter your car odometer reading, specify the database since Econoctane can manage several vehicles, and activate the upload button. Using the posted prices and the quantity bought, Econoctane computes and posts your savings. Enjoy it. This is profit that oil companies would have otherwise pocketed by giving you absolutely nothing in exchange. Econoctane is loaded with powerful features to review and edit the gathered data and to plot up to 3 properties from over a dozen parameters, permitting users to determine the optimum octane level that works best using 2D plus color graphic capability. The program comes bundled with its own internal help files that describe features in detail. Econoctane can also be ported to any language simply by translating a few files accessible to the user. And since those files are making use of Unicode, exotic characters are supported in captions and label. Here is an example of the type of analysis that can be done with Econoctane. After filtering the data from a vehicle to regroup the cases where mostly highway driving occurred, as opposed to city or mixed, the octane-to-fuel economy can be graphically displayed. And this shows that, for this specific vehicle, a 12% improvement in economy is obtained by relying on 91-octane fuel as opposed to regular. Furthermore, it shows no real gain by using 94 Super Premium. Evidently, as the saying goes, your mileage may vary. Different vehicles, different driving style, different conditions. Econoctane helps you figure out what works best for you. More power. Better fuel economy. Saving money. Econoctane can help you get it all. Nothing is perfect in this world, although Montreal-style smoked meat comes close. There is a currently untrackable issue with the Econoctane application, where page swapping between the different functions are initially unresponsive, returning as if nothing had been selected, at least on the device where the program was developed and tested. Users just need to insist swapping page to clear up the problem. There may be other problems that went undetected in our extensive development and testing effort, so we're counting on user feedback to identify and clear those out. To get Econoctane, just visit the Play Google Store. Thank you, and good day.